Hello, this is Bob Dunn with Gibbs & Associates. We're going to give you a demonstration on how to sort the points to create a spline. More automatically sort points for you to speed up the creation of a new spline. And you can see the spline that we've pulled out of here, the shape. It has multiple segmentations. So what we're going to do is we're going to rebuild it so it has a single segmentation. Now, one of the easiest ways to do this, one of the best methods, is to figure out, because where this turns around up here and comes back down, it's best to figure out where to stop this. Should we stop it here and work on that side? Should we stop it here and work down, including the curve? And so what we're going to do is we're going to double click the shape. We're going to copy this to a couple of different work groups. So copy that. Let's move to the left side work group, edit, paste. Let's go to the right side work group, edit, paste. Now on the right side, let me zoom out a little bit for you. On the right side, we're going to work with this right side. And what I've chosen to do here, what seems to work best for what we need to do, is we're going to reconnect this from here, disconnecting this left side. So let's choose connect. Now this left side, we're going to throw it into the trash. We no longer need it. Let's move over to the left side here. This time we need this shape. So what we're going to do is connect here and remove the right side, and we'll throw that into the trash. And as we zoom out, you can see the shape remaining and the opposite shape. And you can see both shapes again overlapped. So let's go ahead and hide that for a minute. Let's take this shape, we're going to segment this spline, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you. So let's choose Modify, Segment Spline, do it. Now everything's into a spline. We have a new spline, and we're going to get rid of the lines. So edit, select, lines, all lines, and we're going to throw those lines into the trash. Now for the curve that we're going to build, we need the geometry points in order, in some kind of order. So for instance, if we were to mouse click these points in order, that's the shape, that's the direction the spline will be created in. If we were to choose edit, select all, and have it happen automatically, then the points must be in precise order. And you can see right now the points are out of order. We've gone from point 4 as a start, point 1, point 22, point 9. Let's jump over to the bottom here, and you can see point 8. So the points are really out of order. Now if we go in and ask it, create a spline, let's do it. Notice the shape of the spline. It's jumping all over the place, and the reason it's doing this is because of the order or bad order of the points. So let's choose edit, undo. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and modify, sort. We want to work with closest whole next. We'll start at the x negative, y negative. So you can see that it would start down here, x negative, y negative. Do it. And let's take a look at the point order. Point number 1 should be right here, and sure enough it is. And as we go through and take a look at the points, you can see the points are now in order. And let's go right up to the top at the end of this shape. And we'll zoom in a little harder, a little tighter. So 232, 233, etc. coming right up and around. 57, 58, 59, etc. Perfect. So let's turn off the labels. We're going to go to the next work group. On the right side, we need to work with this shape. So let's go ahead and segment the spline here. Modify. We're going to segment spline. Go ahead and do it. Then click black. We're going back into edit, select, lines, all lines, and throw the lines into the trash. Okay. Now I'm going to zoom in right here. I want you to watch this point right here as we show the work group in the background. Notice it just turned gray. There are duplicate points, and what we're going to do is we're going to copy these points over to this work group so we have them all on the same work group. Now to do this, we're going to take that point and delete it. We no longer need it. Let's hide the background work group. Now as we do this, let's go ahead, we're going to take all of these points. So let's choose edit, select all, edit, cut. Let's go to the left side, edit, paste. Do not select the points or deselect the points. Right now what we're going to do is modify, sort, and we're going to reverse the direction. This time we're going to start from the X positive, Y positive. Go ahead and do it. And we can close this and deselect. Now when we turn on View Labels, we can see as we pick up, there's 257, 258, 259. Let's zoom out and move over. 260, and it's all in order now. Both sides all the way through. Let's go ahead and turn off the labels. Now at this point we can choose Edit, Select All, and create a new spline. And we're going to go hide the points. So here, let's turn off the geometry points. And you can see the new curve, and it's a single curve all the way through. And we'll compare it to the original model and take a look at it and see how it compares. And this should be pretty accurate, and it actually is very accurate. Now, I hope you enjoyed the demo. This VNC, this part file, will be on the CD-ROM where you found this movie and you're watching this movie. Thanks again. Bye.